YouTube. This is a very exciting day because in this box I finally have my new camera bag, the Peter McKinnon bag from Nomatic. This is the second one, the smaller one, which was kickstarted last year, and there's been a bunch of delays and things. Not Nomatic's fault. They've been really great to work with in getting this to us as fast as they could, considering COVID and the shipping delays and supply constraints and everything that's been going on over the last year. They've done their very best. But you know, we were expecting this back in October. I thought it would be able to go with me on the Hawaii trip that we did for Yellow Van Travels, and I would be able to use it on that trip, and then it wasn't able to be here. And now it's been about 6 months since it was originally slated to arrive, and now it's here. I'm very excited. Got some exciting trips coming up this summer that I'm very excited to be able to take this on, including a big photography trip with my father. Very excited to get this open. We're going to do an unboxing right now, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to the overhead cam so you can see me unbox this bag. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I just have my janky scissors here because I, of course, don't have an awesome unboxing knife because nobody ever sends things to design YouTubers because there's not a lot of cool stuff for design YouTubers to review, and I'm too small for the ones who do to send me anything. So I haven't had to get like a fancy unboxing knife yet, so I'm just going to do this the old-fashioned way with the scissors. Try and get this in here. See if we can't get this guy open. You can tell I never do unboxings by just how bad I am at it. So if anybody wants to send me anything, just let me know. Let's open this up. Okay. So obviously this got reviewed by a lot of people in advance. Big YouTubers who got this, early prototypes, but let's see how well it matches up here. So it looks like I've actually broken open the bag here that should have been unzipped, but that's okay. And definitely smells like a new bag here. Pull it out here and take a look. Make sure you never eat these. These are very dangerous to be eaten. So this looks awesome. I'm going to move the box out of the way here so that we can take a better look at this. Let's see what we have. Oh, moving my fake desk around here. Okay, so this looks like advertised, and let's go ahead and we've got a tag here. Let's take a look at it. And built to last, yay. Water resistant, customizable, the ladder system, organization. You can get the cubes. I did not get the cubes. I don't know. I might get those later if I need them. But let's go ahead and let's go get into it and see what we've got. I expect this to be super high quality build because Peter McKinnon, of course, worked on it with Nomatic, who's very well known for their high quality builds. This is the tripod and water bottle pocket. I'm very excited for that, to have a place to easily store a tripod while I'm on the go. And this is the first real camera bag that I've purchased because I've just recently started investing in some professional camera gear, you know. So let's go ahead and let's open up. I think Peter called this area up here the garage. These are the zippers for it here. So we'll open that up and see that. Oh, very nice. Yes. It's got this sweet little side pocket here, and I do believe that that comes apart there if you want to expand the inner storage, and side pocket there. So you put something up there, keep it nice and safe, and then there's a little, let's see if you can see this, let me turn this around. Right here, we've got a little pocket there, which is a great place, I think, to maybe store a passport or something like that, something you need quick access to while you're traveling through the airport or train stations or whatever. Let's see, we've got the straps, which feel super comfy. I'll try those on. A handle here that you can grab. I like the versatility there. And of course here in the back we've got this padding system and the pirate logo. And yeah, it looks like it'll be super comfortable. Let's go ahead and open up the main bag here. So this is the main bag, and yeah, so there's the garage access there. There, so you can tuck that in there, or you can pull it out if you want to be able to access from the inside. Put it in there. And then here is the ladder storage system. So you're supposed to be able to just pop that there. That gives extra room to the garage or extra room here, depending on how you have that set up. Looks like there's some Velcro here. And yeah, so you can open that up all the way, have it closed, and I may need to watch a tutorial to make sure I'm using that one all correctly there. But plenty of storage in here for your space. Let's see, there's little snaps here. I think so that you can remove the ladder system entirely if you want the whole bag open. So, you know, very versatile, even without the cubes. There's a lot of versatility to this. Let me go ahead and snap these back into place. And that guy there. Back there. And then let's see what we have over here in the top. We've got this mesh pocket. So you can feel, these zippers feel really nice. And there's quite a bit of room in these mesh pockets. It looks like the straps are here. So these are the straps for the outside. I will probably end up using that part of the time. And so that's that. And lastly, I do believe there is a laptop pocket here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, which is right here. So that's just a laptop sleeve. Slide your laptop in there. Easy access. I love that. That's going to be super great when going through the airport. I, of course, don't travel with a laptop. I just travel with the iPad. So I'll just pop the iPad in there, and then I can pop it out and use it. And yeah, again, here's the sides for the water bottle or for the tripod. And then there's some loops here if you want to be able to attach some other things to the sides. And that is the basics of the Peter McKinnon Nomatic backpack here. I'm very excited for it. It feels super good. I think that will do it for us. Again, this is the Peter McKinnon by Nomatic Photographer's Backpack. And I'm super excited. I will do a full review once I've been able to take it on a trip, figure out how I like to pack it, how it carries my gear, that kind of thing. If you guys have any questions about that you would like answers to from a regular person who bought it themselves, go ahead and drop that in the comments below, and I'll be happy to try and figure those things out for you as I'm using it over the next few weeks. And in the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll get back to the tutorials, but I just wanted to show you guys this. We'll chat in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.